Hey guys, good morning. It's another day. It's another vlog. We are out here on the slopes in Keystone. I got my outfit on. Matthew is here. Andrew is also getting ready. Mia and Gerry are not gonna be with us because Mia's leg is not feeling well. We're gonna hang out with them later tonight. We're gonna grab dinner with them and everything. I'm gonna be switching from my nice camera to my little iPhone, so I'm sorry if the quality is bad. There's just no way I can bring this massive camera up to the slopes with me. Oh my god, you're so cute! I like this.
Huh?
You literally only have your eyeballs showing. Today's goal is to not fall terribly and to go faster than I did last time because I'm pretty sure I sucked last time I was up here. So we're gonna try better today.
Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no.
Keep going.
Let me tell behind the moon.
There we
Tell
go.
me you'll be on soon. I don't wanna wait no. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on away. As long as I.
Hey guys, it's the next day now. I'm so sorry I did not vlog much of me snowboarding because it's so hard to vlog and snowboard at the same time, and I also felt like you guys were gonna get bored if I was like snowboarding during the entire time. But I am not gonna lie, you guys will be so proud of me. I have literally gotten so much better snowboarding. Like yesterday was like the first time I could just snowboard without thinking about it. Like I was just going down the mountain and carving the mountain and didn't have to think about the fact that like I had to like shift from like toe side to heel side. Today we're actually gonna go explore Denver with Gerry and Andrew and Mia. We're also gonna explore some houses. We found a couple of homes that we're really excited about, and we might potentially put an offer in one of them. But yeah, today's just a day that we're gonna explore Denver and Colorado in general, just so that Mia and Gerry and Andrew, who've never really been here, can see everything that's happening. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. It actually feels a lot cozier. Guys, look at this incredible view from this house. Holy cow. This is so cool. You look so tall right now. Are these like, these look so short, right?
Actually, kind of.
They're perfect for me. Normally they're a little too tall.
This is like such a great layout.
Well, I know. I really like how open it is. Imagine waking up to that view every day. That's crazy. So this house definitely needs renovation for sure. We're trying to look for a house that has a view, and this is so cool. Oh, here's the garage. Oh, it's massive. 2-car garage.
81 is the house.
That's so cool that they have old photos of the house. Guys, this is what the house used to look like. Yeah, the garage is massive. Alright, going downstairs. No, not yet.
How cool the master is.
Oh, it's very large. It's cozy, but this is weird. This is like the bathtub and then the bedroom is right there. I would want this like see-through.
Yeah.
Right? Like you'd want to like sit in your tub and look out, and you can't. Like nobody should be on your balcony.
Well, it seems like we'd have to do some work.
Yeah, for sure. But this is kind of like at the top of our budget for doing work, but it's very cool. Okay, so here's the walk-in closet. You know, this room has a lot of good space in it. The second closet, we have him and her closets. Wait, why is there another shower? Wait, do you see this? There's 2 showers.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, there's this shower. Why is there another shower in here? Did you notice that there's another shower?
Yeah.
Why would you have 2 showers in one room?
Because there's another room over there.
What a weird layout. So you have to go through this room to go through here?
No, you can get there from here, right?
So we just close it off? That's so weird. What's in here? Oh, the laundry room. Nice, nice. Oh my god, you haven't even been in the vlog yet. Hi, Mia's here. I haven't showed her yet. Holy cow. I mean, at least there's a door straight to the outside so Zoe can like pee and poo if she needs to.
And she would just hang out on here. We'd eventually maybe clean up the yard, but she could just run out and go to the bathroom and then kind of lay in the sun like she normally does.
I really like this house.
It's just such a bright, nice feeling when you walk in.
It's so warm, yeah, and inviting. Look at these cool ass doors. But this is really where it's at. It's this ginormous room over here. So we're exploring downtown Golden right now. It's so cute over here. But we're gonna get some coffee right now. I only slept like 4 hours last night. I could not sleep last night. But the crew is all here. But I'm very awkwardly vlogging in public, which I don't love doing. So please be proud of me, guys. Alright, we're going to a Windy Saddle Serious Coffee. How cute. Thank you. Here you go. Of course. So I got my coffee. I got coffee with oat milk, cinnamon and honey, and it's hands down one of the best coffees I've ever had. I love honey. We're killing a little bit of time in Golden right now. We're gonna see a second house that we're really excited about, and Matt and I are just really excited that we're finding houses again that we really like, because we practically gave up like 7 days ago. You're so cute. Hello, me. The only time people get to see you on the internet nowadays are in people's vlogs. The awkwardness of that. I miss Mia's vlogs. Look at this pretty doggo. Oh my goodness, you're so pretty. All right, we're heading to our second house. Both Matt and I are super excited about this house. I think they definitely underpriced it so that there would be more competition for bids, because there's just no way this house can be that inexpensive. Hopefully it's as cool in real life, but it has an elevator inside of this house, so that's crazy. An elevator.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon.
Oh, I see what you mean. It's definitely a little awkward. Holy cow, wait, this is so cool. This upstairs area is so cool.
Definitely all fixer-upper, but like...
Oh my god, yeah, what's with this?
Striped gray walls.
Why is there carpet? Is it an art piece?
Something on the carpet. Maybe they hung something on it. This is the master?
This is so odd. Whoa. It's a pink tub. Definitely a lot of renovations in this next house, but a lot of potential. The ceilings are so cool in here.
Yeah, look how open it is up here. Did you ride it?
I don't know if it works, honestly.
I'd be too scared. Is there really an elevator in here? That's crazy. The carpet everywhere in this house. Everywhere, carpet. This area is so awkward. Like, what do you do with this space? Oh, yeah, that's so odd. It's so weird. Oh wow, the layout's so odd. This room has such good lighting. Holy cow. Yeah,
it needs a lot of work.
It definitely needs a lot of work.
With a lot of work, it would still be under budget.
Yeah, 100%.
We can make it really nice.
For sure. It's just so dark in this room. Right. Bathrooms are so weird, but they're like big enough. Like, this is a nice sized bathroom. It's just silly.
It's a watermelon bathroom.
It's literally a watermelon. Green.
There's a basement.
Pink.
It literally looks like a... sort of like a horror movie. Yeah, we film a horror movie in here. Oh,
it's a bar.
Okay, what did I say about the horror movie? We got a flickering light.
This is a horror movie.
Is this so...
Whoa, is that a hot tub jacuzzi? What is this? That is so odd. We're in Boulder. We're at the top of, what mountain is this? Flagstaff. It is freezing. And I'm doing this just for you guys. I'm wearing the wrong shoes. It is icy. We might die.
Be careful. Fucking trees.
I'm so sorry for the cussing, guys. Actually, I'm not. I don't care. Wow, so pretty. Oh my god.
Whoa, is this upside down?
Hello guys, we're heading out to dinner. This is today's outfit. Super cute. I'm trying to be more sophisticated. We gotta go. Matthew is... What are you doing? Alright, we gotta go. Peace out.
'Cause space.
Hey guys, so a little update here. As you guys can tell, very flushed. I'm one of those rare people in life that get the Asian glow. Let me know if you guys are Asian, get it as well. But for those of you guys who don't know, I think Asians lack a chemical in our bodies that can process alcohol. I just wanted to say we went to Little Ollie's, which is like an Asian fusion restaurant that's like dim sum and sushi in Denver. It was so amazing, so good. The service was amazing, but you guys should definitely check it out. The spot was like such a chill, cool vibe. We ended up meeting our real estate agents there, so we just like discussed the house and everything, and Matt and I want to put an offer on one of the houses that we saw today. We're not going to say which one, just in case we don't get it. but I want you guys to guess which one. The first one was definitely significantly more expensive than the second one, but that first one had just a gorgeous view that we are dying over. But the second one, we could put so much money into that house and get a really, really nice house by just like renovating it. It had so much potential. I love the lighting in that house, but there were definitely some weird things about that house. So I hope you guys are enjoying like these types of videos. Please let me know if you guys are done watching me like house shop. It's 10:30 p.m. right now. I think Matt and I and the rest of the squad are just gonna chill at the house and drink some stuff, maybe play some board games, just chill out, have a good night together. So yeah, that is it with today's video, you guys. I'm so happy. Andrew and Mia and Gerry are here. It's been nice because I feel like we've been so secluded during this entire trip that it's been so nice to see our friends. It kind of brings LA to Denver because we can see our friends hanging out with us in Denver, and it's been fun exploring. I'm so sorry if I did a shitty ass job vlogging today and yesterday. It's been hard because like I'm with my friends and I just want to hang out with Mia and everyone, and it's a lot easier vlogging by myself. I don't feel awkward shoving a camera in someone's face like this. So yeah, that's it with today's video. Today's question of the day comes from Elise says, oh my god, I'm so sorry I'm butchering your name. Elise Savin. She asked, if Andrew's coming to Denver, who is taking care of Zoe and Shark? That's my question of the day. Good ass question, guys. So Mario is actually staying at our house while Andrew is here for the next couple of days, and Andrew and Mario live together, and Mario and Matt have been like really good ass friends since they were like 10 or 12 years old. I'm not entirely sure, but they've been friends since Chicago. So Mario's actually taking care of the house, taking care of the kids, and he's also a chef. So he's kind of utilizing our kitchen, which is cool. So it's like a win-win situation for all of us. So yeah, if you guys want to be featured in the next question of the day, definitely leave some questions down below for me. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog for another daily vlog. Honestly, daily vlogging has been killing me and it's very stressful, and I'm really sorry that my vlogs have been kind of inconsistent lately, but I'm gonna try to get back on it. But I love you guys. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye guys. Bye.
Hey, you the best part of every single day. Ooh, no matter what I do, I'll be lost in you.